Data centers. This to me is kind of like the modern day gold rush, if you will. There is so much demand for data centers, the cloud computing, everything that we need to fuel, this AI boom. The challenge, of course, is where do you put these? Because you need the power first and foremost, but then also you need the community, the city, the states approval, and that is really where we're seeing a lot clash right now. So Northern Virginia was really kind of the epicenter of these data centers because the state was okay with it. They were giving the zoning. Most importantly, the power was there. At a certain point, it taps out. There's not enough power. There's community opposition. Then you hear, well, Columbus, Ohio, they're booming. And now they're, I've heard maybe winding down. So it's again, where do these go? There's a lot of objection from communities. Say, you're driving up our power costs and all this. I mean, I think it wasn't my idea, but I was listening to one of these all-in podcasts, and they're saying, they should just pay for residential area. Hey, we're going to have a data center in your area, but we're going to pay your entire electric bill. Mm-hmm. We're just going to take care of that, and that would alleviate that. But look, still, do people want these massive? I mean, we say massive. You look at some of these data centers. I mean, these are multi-billion-dollar projects that are, in many cases across hundreds of acres. So, and I think now the key is also a lot of these data centers being self-powered as opposed to having to rely on the grid. But I mean, there's clearly demand, and it does not seem to be slowing down there.